This is our Tiki Pearl Cage, or Totem. I'm going to call it the Tiki one. This actually holds 2 pearls. Look at that. So one will show through the nice little star right here, and then one will show through the mouth. This is designed by RJS. So it does have his artist mark on it. See right here off to the side, you see where it says RJS. So since this cage holds 2 pearls, I'm going to open 2 oysters. So Disney inspires a lot of our artist designs. RJS, he's a huge Disney fan, so this is inspired by his trips to Adventureland. If you're familiar with the Magic Kingdom, Adventureland has like these tikis all over the place, and some of them spit water. It's really fun. So that's what inspired this pearl cage. Alright, I have 2 Akoya oysters to open. Bear with me as I put on a pair of gloves. Alright, let's just move this one to the side. Try this one first. Just going to cut around the lip. This one's going to be difficult. I can tell it's got a hard, thick hinge. Let's see. Let's see if it'll pop open. I don't think it will. Come on. Oh man. Nope. This is difficult. Alright, what can I do? Alright. I cut on this side because the pearl's not right there. Alright. There we go. There we go. Pop that open. Gross. Sorry. That is pretty gross. Where is the pearl? Somewhere in this grossness is the pearl. There it is, right there. Alright, it's a nice sized one. Just gonna plop that in that bowl of water. And I'll open the second one real quick. Oh, that one popped. Oh man, that was the easiest I've ever seen. Look how nice and shiny the inside of that shell is. Alright, where is it? There it is. Alright, I'm going to put the second pearl in the water as I clean up all this oyster schmutz. Ooh, that one's, is that blues or purples? You can see right next to each other how they're different colors. I'd say this one's purple. This is purple, and this is classic white. So let me dry them off completely. Alright, let me open the tiki. I'm going to put the purple in the bottom, and I'm going to put the white in the top. Close it up. Look at that. Let me get my finger out of the way. I wonder if I could find a piece of area that's not covered with oyster goo. Let me string it real quick. Look at that. Trying to get good lighting right here so you can see the pearls. So you see the purple on the bottom and you see the white shining through the sun. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my god, that is so pretty. Very nice. If you're interested in this pearl cage or any other pearl cages, please check out our website at aosdesign.net. Thanks for watching.